guys, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah David here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial using the Xxrevolution cloud palette. I used like the teals, blues, kind of the shimmery blue, not kind of, I did. So I used this palette today, and honestly, this is my first time using this palette. It's gorgeous, as you guys can see. Has a lot of like really nice pastel colors, shimmers, things of that nature, like totally gorgeous. So if you would like to see how I utilize this palette, then continue to keep on watching. I'm not going to hold you guys for too long. Just get right into the tutorial. It is a voiceover tutorial. My thoughts on this palette is 10 out of 10. The quality is great. It blends really well. Very nice and bright and pigmented. The shimmers are gorgeous in this palette, so I definitely would recommend you guys to give it a try. And like I said, if you want to see how I achieved this blue look with a little bit of graphic liner, then keep on watching. Bye, loves. So diving right in with prime lids, I'm going to be taking like a seafoam green bluish color and pop that on my outer corner, and more so of like a medium tone blue, and pop that on my inner corner and blend them until I'm satisfied with the colors. I'm going to be taking Melchior Professional's Black Velvet Shadow, and it's just a matte black eyeshadow that I'm going to be blending into my crease to add some dimension. And once I'm blended that into my crease to my desired effect, I cut my crease using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. On my inner corner, on the top part, I'm going to apply that nice like metallic shadow. The shimmers in this palette is gorgeous, so I'm going to pop that on my lid, and then I'm going to repeat the same seafoam green blue color on my lash line, and then in between transition out like a minty green in between the shimmer and my lash line, and then add back the black for some depth and dimension. I pop on my liner on my lower lash line and upper lash line off camera, and then I'm going to do black and blue graphic liner, just showing you putting it in my crease and along my lash line. For my lips, I'm going to be taking some Peaches Hotline Lip Pencil. I love lining my lips with this lip liner first for all of my like nude lip combinations. And then I'm going to take the Crayon Case's Bribery colored pencil. It's like a really dark chocolate brown, and I ombre those two liners together. For my lipstick of choice, I'm taking Morphe's First Base matte lipstick. It's just this really pale nude, and then to top it off, I'm taking the Milani Ludicrous lip gloss, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.